Acceptance. You all are beautiful. Ignore what media shows you. Don't copy, don't compare, don't feel ashamed. You all are beautiful. Doesn't matter what shape you are. Doesn't matter from where you're from. You all are beautiful. Beauty comes from inside. Love yourself. Treat yourself. Look through the soul, not from the body. Beauty can be different. Respect what you have been given by nature. You decide what's beauty. Beauty can be different.